Do you want to make a passive income online and earn money while you sleep, eat, and even while you're out enjoying yourself with your loved ones? Well, if you are, then you're definitely in the right place, because in this video I'll be showing you 5 proven ways to make passive income from the comfort of your own home. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and if you're new to the channel, then I'll be showing you different ways of making money online and mainly focusing on affiliate marketing. I'll be documenting my own journey to financial freedom and sharing what I've learned along the way. So if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you subscribe and check the notification icon so that I can notify you when I upload a new video. And if you want to copy my exact method of getting to my 10k a month goal, then click the link in the description to get a step-by-step guide. Now let's get back into today's video. So what is passive income? To simply put it, passive income is earnings which a person is not actively involved in order to generate an income. The work is normally front-loaded, so for example, you spend 3 months putting a project together, but then you're able to reap the rewards for months and even years to come. This is opposed to your traditional 9-to-5 job, which is classed as active income, as if you stop working, you will normally stop getting paid. So the first method is starting a blog. So there are a few main ways to monetize your blog, such as affiliate marketing, selling your own product, and ads. The main idea is to create a blog or website around a specific niche or idea. It can be about fishing, weight loss, or whatever you feel passionate about. From experience, I would advise you to choose a subject that you can realistically see yourself writing about for the next 6 to 12 months. Because trust me, writing about something you're not interested in can become very draining, and your loss of interest will show in your writing. Next, you need to start writing content around your subject. These can be questions that people have about your niche, such as what is the easiest fish to catch, or product reviews and information posts around your niche. Some people concentrate their efforts into one stream, such as affiliate marketing, and others like to combine between all three. For example, you can fill your blog with articles answering people's questions about your niche. These are information posts, and the more you write, the more traffic you will get as your articles start to rank for those search terms. You can then apply for Google AdSense and get paid when people click on the ads Google displays on your site. To make a considerable amount of money from this, it can take some time. So a faster way to monetize is by recommending products or services through reviews and recommendations. Just to give you an idea of what kind of earnings can be achieved using this method, then we can come over to this website where this marketer documents how much he makes through his income reports. He's been doing these reports for years now and has been very consistent with his results. So you can see when he started, he made $605 in his first month, but with consistency and hard work, by 2017 he was making over $25,000 a month. The really cool thing is that as well as monetizing your site through ads and affiliate marketing, you can actually sell your site after you have started to make some income. The way it works is that website brokers use something called the multiplier to value your website. For example, a website that makes $3,000 a month in profit can be valued at $75,000 using a multiplier of 25. Next, we have a model called Arbitrage. How this works is that you find products online or in your local store that are cheaper than are being sold online. You then place these items on websites such as eBay and Amazon for sale to make the difference. So let's look at some examples. So I found these dog teeth cleaning treats on this website. Now, they are selling for $10.25. On Amazon, I found the same product and it's selling for $24.50. Now, to work out if this is a good product or not, we need to look at a few things: the Amazon product rank, the sales history, the profit margin, and the competition. So to find this product rank number, just scroll down a little bit further and you will find the information as well as the product category that it's listed in. So this rank number tells us how successful this product is in terms of popularity and sales. The higher the number, the better. Now we can use a rank chart to check where our product lies in relation to its category in percentage. This one can be downloaded by going to fulltimefba.com, so you can check that out if you want. So our product is ranked 33,618 in pet supplies. This puts it in the top 1% of products in the category, which is really good. You want to go anywhere below 5%. We can then use the rank number to check the estimated number of sales it gets a month. Jungle Scout has a free calculator you can use. So we just need to put in our rank number, platform location, and category. And it should tell us an estimate. So this product is selling around 60 pieces a month, which is not bad. We could also see how many sellers on Amazon are selling this specific product and check out their prices. We can see that there are around 9 sellers selling this product, so it's not too much competition. And on Amazon you have something called the buy box, and sometimes you win the buy box through different algorithmic changes to do with price and certain things like that. So it might change, but usually the person that wins the buy box is within 2% of that price. So anyone else that's listing the product for way higher or way lower is not really going to win the buy box. After that, you will need to sign up for an Amazon Seller Central account and figure out if you're able to sell this product. If you're not able to sell the product, then you'll need to apply to be ungated, which is not that difficult. Now you might be thinking, how exactly can this be passive? Well, Amazon have something called Fulfilled by Amazon, which is FBA, which means sellers can send their products into Amazon's warehouses. Then Amazon handles packaging, handling, shipping, and customer service. Once you get the hang of the whole system, then you can create a passive working system that allows you to generate income even while you sleep. Next, we have YouTube, and with this method, you'll be creating niche YouTube channels, then growing them to monetize via Google Ads, affiliate marketing, or your own product. Let's have a look at a few examples. So we can see this is a basketball YouTube channel which posts compilations and different highlights of NBA basketball. Now if you come down here in the description, you can see that they're linking to a website. Now let's check out this website. Now this website is Sports Cases. They sell phone cases for all different types of sports, and we can use this as two different examples. So one, you can try and grow a channel, a sports channel, and then create an e-commerce site on Shopify and do print on demand phone cases. We can do this in another video, but that is one option, and then you can put your link to your website in the description of your videos. The second way you can do this is that at the top of the screen here you can see that it says ref, so it's referral. So this website is not actually owned by the YouTube channel, they're just an affiliate. So anyone who clicks on the link in their video and goes to the website and purchases a phone case, then this channel will get a cut, which could be between 10 to 30 to 40% of the actual sale. And to find footage for this, then you can go to YouTube and filter by Creative Commons, which allows you to re-upload these videos with editing. That's why you see a lot of videos on YouTube which are top 10 and so on and so forth videos, which are compilation, reaction videos. These are just re-uploaded content. You have to add a bit of a spin to it, some commentary or something like that. Now with that, you can also see that this channel has over 100,000 subscribers and is monetized, so they'll also be making money through YouTube monetization. Now our next example is another YouTube channel, and on this channel they're reviewing different products, and we can see here about the best camera for YouTube, and in the description you can see they have affiliate links to Amazon. So Amazon has one of the biggest affiliate programs out there where you can promote products and you get a commission for that. So on this video he's talking through the benefits of this camera and all of the different types of details, and if you're interested in buying that camera, then you go into his description and click on his link and he'll get a commission for that. Now you can see he's got a lot of views, and we're not saying that you're going to grow your channel overnight to get to that. Their channel's been going on for years and it's something that you need to put work in, but it's absolutely doable. Next, we have Ebook Publishing. In this method, you'll be publishing ebooks to Amazon.com. The way that it works is that Amazon has a print-on-demand book publishing service, which allows you to submit a book to them. If it sells, then they'll print and ship the book to your customers. What you have to do is research top-selling books in the non-fiction category, as it's the easiest to get started in, and create books in those profitable niches. You can write the book yourself or have someone else write the book for you on Fiverr. You can get someone to write it for around $150 to $200. So let's have a look at a few examples. So what you want to do is come over to Amazon's non-fiction top seller section and have a browse through some of the books on offer. All of these are in the section because they're doing well, so take note of the titles, covers and descriptions. So if you look at the side section on the left, you'll be able to see a list of all the different genres and different niches that you can go into. So just click on one that interests you. So let's just click on self-help and let's go with this book right here. So another thing that you can do is come down here and get the seller rank for this product. So we can see that it's number 53 in the paid in Kindle store section. Now a cool tip that you can do is come over to this website, and they actually have a calculator which allows you to estimate how many sales they make every day. You can just enter our number in here, and it's telling us that this book actually sells 1,712 times a day. So let's just do a little calculation. So you can see that this book is $5.99. So we can do $5.99 times 1,712. So that's $10,254 a day just with one book. And that's just an example. and you could have multiple books going at the same time. And I recently made a more in-depth video showing you how to start from scratch, and I'll leave that link as a suggestion at the top of this video. And last but not least, we have affiliate marketing. I know I've touched upon this in the previous methods, but I thought it deserved its own spot, as it's my favorite method of making money online, and there are tons of ways to make it work. You're essentially recommending great products to your audience that will actually benefit them, and in return, you get a commission. These commissions can be from $20, $100, or even $1,000 plus every sale. With affiliate marketing, you have the ability to make a full-time income from the comfort of your own home without having your own product or dealing with admin or customer service. It's a very simple process, but many people get it wrong as they mistake its simplicity for being easy. I'm sure you've seen people spamming links on videos, forums, or in DMs, and that is absolutely pointless. Most people come in, get burnt out by not following a proven method, and leave because they don't see the results. When I was first getting started, I was introduced to a 15-day business builder challenge, which really opened my eyes to the silly mistakes I was making and gave me the grounding I needed to see the success to keep striving to get to my 10K a month goal. If you're interested in getting started today, then I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out and watch the free presentation by the founder of Legendary Marketer Program, Dave Sharp, and hopefully we can see you inside. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.